The EU should allow drug prices to rise to US levels to attract investment. That was the message from the bosses of two European pharmaceutical giants Wednesday. Novartis CEO Vas Narasimhan and Sanofi leader Paul Hudson wrote in Britain's Financial Times that European price controls and austerity measures reduce the attractiveness of its markets. They further said competitiveness in European biopharma is waning and the uncertainty of tariffs is hurting incentives to invest in the EU. They believe the bloc should set higher list prices and called for communication on spending targets for new medicines to reward innovation. They also want the EU to strengthen its domestic market and warned its pharma model of producing in Europe and exporting to the US can't continue. Over the past weeks, drug makers have pledged to invest in the US to deal with tariffs. Washington says the aim is to boost domestic manufacturing. Roche said on Tuesday it would invest $50 billion in the US over the next 5 years. Novartis, Eli Lilly and Johnson & Johnson also announced sizable investments recently. Meanwhile, the Trump administration has warned drug makers it's considering linking US medicine prices to lower amounts paid by other developed countries. The US pays the most for drugs in the world, often nearly 3 times that of other developed nations.